How to reduce background noise in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and import the video or audio clip that contains unwanted background noise. Next, drag your clip onto the timeline and select it. Go to the Effects panel and search for Noise Reduction. You will find Chroma Noise Reduction under the Gain and Noise section. This effect helps reduce unwanted ambient sounds in your audio. Drag and drop the noise reduction effect onto your clip in the timeline. Now in the Effect Stack panel, adjust settings like noise threshold and reduction strength to minimize background noise effectively without affecting the main audio quality. Use the playback feature to listen carefully and fine-tune the parameters until you achieve a clean and clear sound. Now you know how to reduce background noise in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.